Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol UNRG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis yesterday, so that is where the red line is up here coming from. But after today's price movement, going to do a little house cleaning here and just get rid of these lines. Sure, these levels still pertain to the chart. They're just not relevant right now. And from a presentation point of view, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. As far as resistance levels are concerned, though, really the most straightforward way to monitor that going forward for the time being is via that purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. And that's all just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken. So let's establish a fact that this purple line was indeed a solid area of support. And in fact right there, but when levels of support are broken, they tend to act as resistance, and you can see right there this morning is where that level was broken. So that is why going forward now, as that purple line moves itself, hence moving average further and further downwards, that'll be the most straightforward way to gauge the resistance side of things. So again, we'll get rid of those red lines as I did and just focus on that purple line for now as far as levels of resistance are concerned. What about levels of support now going forward? So if the price continues to pull back, where some of these potential areas of support at? So next key overall level would be that previous breakout point, and that sits right there at 26.5 cents. So got pretty close to it today, but didn't quite hit it exactly. 26.5 cent though, that first key level. In the event the price does not hold up above 26.5, next key level to watch would be that pink line down there, which is the very famous 200-period moving average. Even if you have a very basic understanding of charts, very surface deep knowledge, I'm sure you've heard of the 200-period moving average, and you know that when the price is up above it, assuming of course you're bullish, then that's the level that you definitely want to see the price hold up above. So watch that level going forward. But as of right now, 26.5 cents has been doing a good job of holding that support, but keep an eye on those couple levels going forward. So bigger pullback today, and we'll see if the price can try to get thing turned around or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.